Oh, hello. It's me again. You just saw me eat a nice, delicious, juicy cheeseburger. And I thought about making a dessert, and then I'm like, this looks too sexy not to be filmed. I'm in ice cream mode. We have creamy banana ice cream, creamy maple ice cream, an almond raspberry little tart mini pie thing that I just crumbled upon, crumbled, gently falling down like majestic rain. And then we just, oh yes. Yes, we do. 10 minutes ago, this didn't exist. Not even in my mind. Mamma mia. In the maple. Just beautiful. Get a little bit of that raspberry almond. I mean, I've made some dessert ice cream creations. Quite a few, actually. And this may be the most simple one. Put ice cream crumble thing on top. Yet, I must say, the presentation. And credit to my little new friend here. Because it enhances the whole thing. Beautiful. Beautiful. We go back and forth. The bits of almond everywhere. Magnificent. Again, so simple basically. Truly, truly when people say sometimes less is more, you're talking about this. Water, the best drink with ice cream. No fancy pants stuff. No sugary stuff. I don't understand. Doesn't seem too melty in the front. even like it's a little mini tart pie thingy. So it's kind of like this, and the crust is, you know, it's a crust, and the center is more the center, if you will. So different bites, you get a bit of the crust with a little crunch. You're like, ooh, and other bites is just the gooey, nice. And others is just a little flake of almond. Again, so simple, but so very good. And this might be one of the fanciest combinations, actually. Like banana, maple, almond, raspberry tart. But you could easily just do like vanilla, strawberry, and crumpled up brownie. Mamma mia. What a day. You have a beautiful big cheeseburger, some nice potatoes with a garlic sauce, and you're like, that's not all. I'm gonna go with a super awesome dessert. Nom. Come on, there you go. See a little bit of crust there. Water it up. Focus on a little more banana flavor. And again, it's a pretty big dessert. This is like 6 scoops of ice cream. And like 20 minutes ago, 25 minutes ago, I was finishing a big meal. Turns out there is room, there is plenty of room. At least I didn't fall. Dark fabric will be fine. More bits and pieces. Look. I'm telling you, just do it. Look at that. Ooh. The colors, especially on this side, yeah, that's better. Ooh. With kind of like steam coming out. Well, not steam, but you know, the vapor thing. What a bite. Get it in there. Seriously, ice cream, crumble something on top of it. So much better. Even you know, people have like slice of pie with ice cream. It's better to have ice cream with a bunch of little bits of pie on top. A bit messy to do. Like this one is relatively dry, but I still had to like destroy it, and you have a little like here. Oh, so apple pie. But then again, you can do like I've done with just like fried apples and bits of cookies and stuff. Very similar result. But hey, there's a market for ice cream with crumble stuff on top. No, it's gone. It's gone, and it was glorious. Oddly enough, I don't feel as full now as I did like half an hour ago when I finished the burgers. The mysteries of life. It was amazing. This was amazing. Go get, I don't think they sell it. Go make yourself one. Buy a thing, get some ice cream, and just on top of the thing. Beautiful, spontaneous video. If I had done, I couldn't have done it in one sitting because I need to go up and get it, so it would have been a couple of minutes. But the little wait was surely helped. Because you know, I ate a lot, but I feel nice. Not like. Anywho, Dessert Man, spontaneous dessert creation ice cream man. There you go. A gift for me, a gift for you. This wasn't even supposed to happen. Enjoy. I hope you did, and I'll see you tomorrow.